you see that?
What the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've been stashing the truck in the garage for far too long.
How you doing, pal?
Might have a nest somewhere close by. All right, what is up, guys? We made it to Area 67. This is our beautiful test facility for the 6.7. Area 67, you guys get it? I've always said Area 67, and I don't think anyone has put it together yet. So we made it to Area 67. I just got the truck dirty. So yesterday, long story short, yesterday we went and purchased a new clay thrower, and we were up here trying to make that happen while it's windy. But the grass is high and the ticks are crazy. We live in Western Pennsylvania, and the ticks up here are just absolutely madness. So today I went and we got the old mower, the old Right Stander. This thing is an absolute unit. So I'm gonna try to cut in some nice lanes for us and some shooting stations and another spot for the thrower to be in a couple different locations. But basically, we haven't really been doing anything up here pretty much all this season so far. Everyone's just been super busy, so it's just raw, untouched, uncut field. There's so much brush overgrown on everything. You know, we usually hunt here. We kind of do everything here. We've just been all so busy this year that we haven't been able to, you know, really get up here and maintain it or take care of it or cut the grass or do anything like that. But we're gonna try to get the grass cut and get some stuff set up for some awesome action coming soon. Oh look, here's old pioneer woman himself. Oh, backfire. Did you bring the weed whacker? Nope. Why? I don't think you needed it. All right, I didn't even show the camera yet. I literally just turned off the old machine here. She's hot. She's running great.
I'm cutting trees down too?
Oh, we need the blade sharpened anyways, you know. Look, it didn't pick up any of these shells.
Didn't throw any?
It went right over. I didn't throw a single one.
That ain't bad.
All right, guys. So yesterday we were out here. We were shooting from like right here. We had the thrower over there.
Did you see that?
What?
Dude, look at that spider.
Where?
Right there with the white sack on it.
Oh, I see the white sack running.
Dude, look at that bitch.
What is that? Oh, I see.
Dude, that sucker's a biggin'.
Oh, it's a wolf spider. A bunch of eggs on it or something. So anyways, we were shooting from like right here. The clays were going that way. We had the thrower over there. But the ticks up here are like madness. So if you guys are wondering what the heck I'm wearing, that's so I can see the ticks. I feel like if boots, they just go down in your boots and you're just screwed with ticks right in your boots.
Climb
you know?
up your leg.
I kind of sealed them off with my old Vans. I look like I'm going skateboarding in the old pole over in Cali. Yep. So anyways, what we wanted to do is we wanted to have like multiple shooting stations. So the thrower might be like stationary, right? So we could shoot from right here, and it kind of comes from left to right, diagonal, but it goes out more. So then I cut over here around this big tree to have a secondary station. Maybe we could angle the thrower a little more to come a little more left to right. So this was all just like mainly grass.
He cut it really well.
Oh yeah. Look at this.
Good.
There's like lines in here. This is a professional job.
Did you have to go over it a few times?
I went over it twice. Once with the thing all the way up, and then once down on like 4.5 inches.
That's killer.
So we could come down here, maybe, and stand here with the clays coming more of a cross position from the throwing spot over there, coming down here, because that thing launches them like 80 yards, 75, 80 yards.
I think that way.
Yeah, like facing like towards the pod up there. This is a pretty nice spot here too. See how it's like a shelf?
Yeah, this was always a nice shelf right here.
Yeah, this is a beautiful spot. So I don't know, I cut it a little big, so like we could pull a truck over here maybe and like sit at the tailgate or something. But yeah, the mower did wonderful. That's like, guys, real quick, we're gonna go flashback here. Me and old JB had our own landscape company, and that was the OG mower, the right stander from our landscape company we bought when we were younger. We just walked in somewhere, you know, spent 10 grand on a mower like a bunch of smart kids, you know.
Definitely a great decision.
I mean, look, it paid off today. Yeah, go straight in. We're gonna cut a path straight down the hill. Dude, that mower. Oh, he's going right through it. Alright guys, we cut so much more. So we got our main area over there. These are like launching like trap houses, whatever you want to call them. Over here, you know, we got a spot here, spot there, spot over there, multiple spots. This is going to be the sickest clay shooting spot like ever. So if you guys want to see the finished product for this, tune in next video. We'll do some live action up here, but right now, let's get to towing with the new intercooler piping on the Powerstroke, which I have not towed or hauled anything with it yet. The truck and the trailer is patiently waiting right there. But yeah, live action towing, let's go. All right guys, so towing with the intercooler piping. I haven't done a towing review of this yet. I've never hauled anything with the intercooler piping on the truck. So first things first initial response, instant throttle response. I know a couple of you guys were wondering about, because of the intercooler piping having a bigger volume over stock, you're wondering about spool up and air mass volume and all that stuff, and how the throttle response would be with having a bigger area for the air to fill in before it gets to the engine. No way. This truck has instant throttle response, instant spool up, like it just absolutely rips. Right now we have my 8.5 by 20 car hauler white box trailer on with the lawnmower inside, so it's not like all that heavy, but it's a general average weight behind there for just the average guy for whatever you're hauling. It literally never fails. Whatever way I go to try to dodge police officers, I always end up passing them. Back roads, they don't like my wheels too much. But all right, so we're lugging like third gear right now, about 2,000 RPM. Turbo is just right there in power, in the power band. We're ready to just launch whenever we want. Fourth gear, you can hear the turbo whistle. It sounds so good. So this is actually the first time towing with the open air filter 2 from S&B. I am a huge fan of turbo whistle. I just really like that sound. Oh well. Some people love it, some people hate it, and you definitely get a crazy turbo whistle with the open S&B and the built VGT turbo because the silencer ring is machined out of the turbo. So checking to see if there's a cop behind me. So, you know, you get to a certain time with your vehicle where you are very happy with the setup. You know, you're happy with how it runs and how it performs, and, you know, it gets to, you know, to be running kind of as good as it can at that current setup. So I'm pretty much at that point in time right now. I have the S370 sitting back at the shop, but I'm very, very happy with how the truck drives. But I'm kind of like bored with it at a certain point where I wanna do more to the truck. But I usually, when that happens, it could be a success or it could be a failure. So modding your truck or your vehicle further from where you're happy with it could be a great thing or it could be a bad thing. So I'm kind of at that crossroads now, but we're already sending it with the S370, bigger fuel pump, keeping stock injectors for right now. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and it should be very nice. The Sport Tow transmission tune will help a ton with having a non-VGT turbo. It'll keep the power and the gearing right for better, faster spool up compared to a VGT turbo when the vanes are closed. Essentially, the exhaust housing's like tiny. It runs so good, so good. I don't even know that trailer's back there, like literally not a clue. Power is insane, and these trucks are nice, definitely. Old King Ranch himself. All right, guys. That is about it for today. The truck hauls this trailer with the intercooler piping absolutely killer. Like, this golden hour right now is crazy. Take a look at this. Super nice epic day up here at Area 67. So yeah, like I said, if you want to tune into the final result of what we were working on over there for the clay pigeon kind of like whole thing we just made, tune in. We're gonna probably do a video on it. It's something different. I think it'd be cool to film that, so we're gonna do it. Cut a little parking spot in right there, and yeah, amazing day. He's down there hammering it on the road. But all right, guys, that's it. These trucks, they just run so good. Intercooler piping, amazing for towing. There's no issues, never had any problems with it. I drove around a little more than needed after I filmed that clip. I went to get gas, went to get some food, and just left the trailer hooked up. So I drove all around, zero issues, and the truck runs amazing. So that's it. If you made it this far, you are freaking awesome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you think that looks cool. But all right, that's it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.